There are so many gadgets and tech products on the internet. Some of them are cool, some of them are useless, and some of them are really expensive. But it is good to note that not every expensive gadget is good. Similarly, not every cheap gadget is bad. So the takeaway is to do your research before buying a gadget. Mosaic's Own has done the research for you and listed the coolest, futuristic, and highly rated gadgets and tech gifts that you can buy online from Amazon. Thanks for watching! If you like to see more of cool tech gifts and gadgets, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.